Hi, this is DannaCruzan with Alpha One Innovations, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this page, you're going to find different videos with business and marketing tips that can help you do things quicker and more efficiently. I really hope you enjoy this video. Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video today to show everybody how to hide their friends list. With all this hacking going on Facebook, what they do is they create a new account, they name it the same as yours, and they go into your friends list and they invite all of your friends. So if people can't see your friends list, you can stop some of this hacking from going on. If you're a business owner, it's also good to do this because competitors can't go in and copy your friends list and add all of your friends and possible clients to, steal them, take your business away, etc. So I wanted to show you how to do this. So what you want to do is, sorry if you can hear the cat meowing in the background. I have a 17-year-old cat who has dementia and he gets lost. So anyhow, what you want to do to hide your friends list is you want to go to your profile. Okay, so I'm here at my profile, and then you want to click on your friends list. And then you want to come over here to these three dots right where it says Find Friends. Right next to that, click on that and click on Edit Privacy. And this is friends, who can see your friends list, and I have only me. Following, I also have it where nobody can see who follows me because that's nobody's business but my own. And then followers, who can see people that are following me. And I have this as only me as well. So you just change this, you can have it be public, friends, blah, 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 but I recommend it be only you. And then that's it, and you're set. And also a tip, I share all of my posts with friends only. I have it that way so that if I want to share something public that goes out to the whole world, I do that. Otherwise, I share all of my posts with friends only. If I'm doing business posts, I usually will make them public. So anyhow, that's just a quick tip video on how to make it so your friends can't be stolen if someone hacks your account. And I also recommend changing your password, every few months just to make sure. So take care and have a great day. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can also find my contact information at the bottom in the description, and you all have a great day.